Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be swapping the screen from this iPod Nano 2nd generation to this iPod Nano 2nd generation. So this one here has a screen issue. So the screen problem is that it doesn't work. So now before I put it back together, I've got a power bank and I've got a 30-pin cable, so I can test to see if it works before I put it back together. So this is the board that I just fixed. Hold on, just need to make sure the power bank's on. And it boots. Okay, that's good. So, oh, that's upside down for you guys. Here you go. They can see it. So if it boots to the menu, I'll be really pleased, because then I will have a working 8GB unit. Oh wow, that's actually really impressive. Now I'm going to unplug it, and it actually works. Except, got low battery warning. But that's about it for this one, guys, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.